Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get the repost button on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here, and you can see at the bottom right, there is that little arrow. I can tap on that, and then it gives me this yellow repost button that I can tap on. And it just says you've reposted this specific video, and then I can go to that and see that I have reposted this video. Now, if you don't have this repost button, I'm going to walk you through a couple of different steps you can do to definitely get it. So let's tap on Profile at the bottom right here, and then the three lines at the very top right, and we'll tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down, and you can see Clear Cache. What we're going to do is tap that, and it will clear all of the cache on the TikTok app. And this helps to clear out any bugs as well. Now, the second step that we'll do is we'll go out of there and tap on our settings. And we'll tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now on here, you can find TikTok here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to offload this app and reinstall it. Now, what this does is it force updates TikTok to the latest version. While it doesn't remove any of your drafts, your messages, anything like that, but it updates the TikTok core file app files, and it fixes any kind of bugs or glitches within the TikTok app itself. So once that is done, you'll see that it will delete the app and then reinstall the app with the latest version. Once that's done loading the latest version, then you can open it back up, and you should be able to see that repost button on anyone's TikTok video. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.